In this tutorial, we will be looking at the difference between WordPress posts and pages. Using the My Future Business site as an example, we will have a look at the differences between pages, which are typically static pages, as opposed to posts, which are usually relating to your blog feed or your news feed, depending on what you would like to call it. And they are usually listed in chronological order. And if you are a blogger, you will more than likely using posts more than you will pages. On the home page of the My Future Business site, this is a static page. It's not part of the news feed, and it's static and it stands alone. You can make edits to this standalone page without affecting your news feed. Just as when you create a blog post, it won't affect your pages. As an example, you can use a static page and embed different code. You can embed images, you can embed checkouts, just as we have here on our product page, affiliate offers, and so forth. However, they will not be displayed in chronological order. They will be one single page by comparison to your blog feed, which you will have a home page for your blog, which you will see in chronological order all of your previous posts listed. As an example, we will go into one of our individual posts, and as you can see, this is a vlog, a video blog, and down below it has links to affiliate links and some text explaining the content. It also has, due to the theme that is being used, an opt-in box, which is a recommended feature. As you go down further down the page, it has about the author and Facebook comments. Depending on which theme you're using, you can set your blog or your news feed as your home page, and you don't necessarily need any static pages whatsoever. However, if you're inclined to have pages as well as posts, you can do that quite simply with WordPress. As an example, in this particular instance, we can go to New, Add Post, or New, Add Page. And the primary reason you would use a page as opposed to a post is that a page usually contains content that doesn't often change, whereas a post might be created once a day. And a good example of a static page would be your About page, which you can see as an example here. This content outlines what My Future Business does for its clients and will not generally change. And another example of a static page will be a contact page, which gives you the ability to make contact with the business. And the thing to understand about blog posts is that they are sorted chronologically and can be categorized, whereas a static page cannot. For example, if you take notice of this particular post here, underneath you will see that it's been categorized under interviews and podcasts, making it easier to find in a search. With WordPress and Thrive themes, the option to configure your WordPress website is limitless. You can have either just static pages, or you can have a combination of a blog and static pages.